Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a 6-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. It is located on Claremont Boulevard in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. This beautiful 2-story property consists of 4 bedrooms on the lower level with living and dining rooms, kitchen, bathrooms, and secured veranda. One of the bedrooms has ensuite bathroom with jetted tub. On the second level, there are 2 bedrooms, kitchen, bathroom, large patio, with a great view as well as a very large entertainment lounge. It is ideal for a large family who loves to entertain. The land area is approximately 4,834 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.